Hello everybody, welcome to yet another video on Tutorials Point. My name is Richa. Today we will talk about a module which has taken the world by surprise. Yes, I'm talking about the state of depression. Well, 70% of the world population today is suffering from this disease called as depression. And it is very important and imperative to talk about this particular concept of depression because sometimes people even in our near and dear ones or our immediate family members might be undergoing depression without really speaking about it. The reason being that it is considered to be a taboo to talk about depression. However, I would like to say that a lot of celebrities in the near past have spoken about themselves undergoing a state of depression and how they have come out of it by taking correct treatment, thus encouraging common man to also go through the same by accepting that you are going through depression and how to really come out of it. Well, depression is a negative state of mind and the condition can get really worsened if it is not treated. If you are plagued with feelings of sadness, and you feel very lonely, you also are feeling very overwhelmed all the time, you might be suffering from depression when you stop enjoying your day-to-day activities, when nothing can really work for you or you feel really bad most of the time. That is a state when you might be really getting overwhelmed and getting into a state of depression. Well friends, there is nothing to worry about because today in this module we will talk about ways to really uplift your mood and ways to really get over depression or to beat depression. Let's get started. So friends, my tip number one to beat depression is by recording your joys and your accomplishments. Yes, that's very important that you make a journal and you write down all the things that you have accomplished in the past, the kind of rewards, the kind of joys you have experienced in the past. It's important to write them down in your personal space, which is your journal. The reason being, when you think happy thoughts and when you think that you have achieved a lot, it really helps to kick up your motivation level and you feel good about yourself. A lot of times what happens is that people who are depressed start feeling negative about themselves, start feeling low all the time. Hence, this particular tip can really get them motivated by recording their accomplishments and joys in their personal journal. So try that tip out. Friends, the second tip to beat depression is by filling your day with events and schedules that you love to do. Any kind of activity which really motivates you or really puts you in a nice zone, try that out. It could be something as simple as joining a painting class, a pottery class if you are the creative kind, joining a reading club if you like to read books. It can be joining any kind of activity, sports, anything that you really like to do. Try and fit some of these events and activities into your daily schedule and you will really feel motivated and depression state will start weakening less and less. So it's important that you beat depression by trying to fill your day with something that you love to do, something that you really don't have to make an effort for and something that really puts a smile on your face. That's my tip number two and I'm sure it will really help you to beat depression. So friends, my tip number three to beat depression is something which is very silly and that is just to laugh. Yes, you heard that correctly. To beat depression, just laugh it out. You can join a laughter club which really focuses on letting go and laughing all through for silly and stupid reasons. You can also laugh by watching something comedy on the television, any kind of comedy movies which can really help you get out of your comfort zone and just laugh it out. You can also try and interact with such kind of friends and people who make good sense of humor, who crack jokes. All of this thing can really help you beat the depression because you're not really thinking of your state of mind, you're just concentrating on laughing, which can work wonders to beat depression. So try that tip right away. If you feel you're beating depression, laugh it out. Friends, my next tip to beat depression is something again very simple. Just meditate and exercise. Well, there is a lot of power in meditation. It helps you to focus on the positive rather than the negative thoughts. So channelize your energy, try and think and balance only at the present moment rather than thinking about the past or the future. Just close your eyes and meditate for a few minutes every single day, and you will feel the difference definitely. Exercising can also create wonders to remove or beat depression. When you exercise, you're releasing good hormones which will really help to beat depression. So any kind of sport or any kind of exercise you like, it can be hitting the gym, going for a sport, playing cricket with your friends, or anything else for that matter. Try and exercise at least 30 to 45 minutes a day, and you will be able to beat depression. Friends, my next tip to improve depression, or rather to beat depression, is something really simple again, by avoiding sugary things or grains. Well, sugar in itself or any kind of sweet thing really acts as an antidepressant at times, because it helps you to really rejuvenate. All of a sudden it takes you or gives you a new high, but at the same time it leaves you with that empty feeling. So try and avoid as much as possible any kind of sugar and grains to beat depression. Friends, my last tip to really beat depression is to talk it over. Yes, when you are feeling depressed, the tendency is really to withdraw and isolate yourself, and even reaching out to near and dear family members can be quite tough and difficult. However, it is very imperative that you get out of your comfort zone and talk to people, get a lot of social support, and just release all your negative emotions by talking to people whom you really like and who can listen to you. And that's very important to beat depression. So my last tip is just talk it out with friends and family members or whoever you trust on. So friends, today we have understood a lot of tips on how to really beat depression and say that final goodbye to depression. It's not easy and it's not quick, but at the same time it's not impossible to beat depression once you put your mind to it. You have a choice every day when you get up in the morning. Do you want to feel depressed or you want to feel happy? And that, friends, is only and only a choice you can make. So friends, a quick summary and recap of how to beat depression. Tip number 1, try and write down a journal in which you can record all your joys and your accomplishments. Tip number 2, try and avoid sugars and grains. Tip number 3 is try and meditate and exercise as much as you can in a day. Tip number 4 is try to beat depression by talking it over to your friends and family members. Well, we do hope you have enjoyed listening to this module, and try and beat depression by following all the techniques and tips that we have just mentioned. Keep watching for more videos coming up. Till then, thank you and take care.